Hello. Hi, today we're doing chicken pot pie. So we've got our leeks in there melting with butter. 1 red onion in. Okay, so we've got leeks, red onion. I need to do this carrots now. So carrots. I've got a fantastic smell of leek and onion. Carrots going in. You may have seen, I'm just trying the baking soda to get my pan clean. And that's the stock I'm going to use. Soften. Alright. I'm doing video.
So good.
So, I'm putting the chicken and the stock in now. Drop more water. Alright, so we're going to seal it and we're going to seal it on pressure for 5 minutes. So select pressure 5. That's it. All set. Okay, I'll come back in a minute. Bye.